The currency market remains stagnant. However, traders are showing interest in buying the US dollar ahead of the US Labor Department report. Notably, yesterday, data on the US unemployment claims was quite encouraging. Nevertheless, market participants should also take into account important data from the Eurozone. In fact, a rise in the Eurozone producer price index failed to change the market situation. The indicator advanced to 9.6% from 7.6%, thus pointing to the further increase in the Eurozone inflation. The current decline in the consumer prices is just a short-lived phenomenon. That's why the ECB may announce the date of the key interest rate hike in the near future. Traders will hardly take knee-jerk decisions ahead of the US Labor Department report. The fact is that after the publication, the US dollar is likely to gain in value. The US unemployment rate is expected to fall to 5.7% from 5.8%, whereas the participation rate may climb to 61.7% from 61.6%. In addition, the average hourly earnings may advance by 0.4%. In other words, more and more US citizens are finding jobs with higher salaries. This will surely lead to growth in consumer activity, which is the main driver of the US economy. What's more, the non-farm sector is likely to add 650,000 jobs. It means that employment will continue rising, thus boosting the recovery of the US labor market. As a result, the country's economy will experience an uptick. Let us take a look at the trading charts ahead of the publication of the US Labor Department report. During this week, traders have been opening more and more short positions on the euro-dollar pair. As a result, the price rebounded from the level of 1.1835, and in the near future, it may provide a confident signal of a downtrend. To do this, the pair should fix below 1.18 to slide to the level of 1.17. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair managed to break the level of 1.3785, which acted as a lower limit of the record correctional movement. Notably, the volume of short positions remained unchanged. It's quite possible that the fixation below 1.3740 will allow the pair to fall to 1.3700 and 1.3670. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.